Look guys, there's like a thing, it truly is a pinning tower. If you go like here, you can just like fall through. Like that. You see? It's crazy. See? Wait. I literally found a cheat code. And if you're lucky, wait, I'm gonna just kill myself. If you're lucky, then you could probably like just get down the whole thing. No, I failed. Oh, no, come on. No, I gotta save myself. I gotta save myself. No, I can't fly. I can't, no. Oh my god. If I fall one more time, I'm dead. I'm literally dead then. I touch one of these blocks one more time. Bro. Yeah. It's such a nice thing to know. Yeah, maybe I can do it again. No, I'm dead. Okay, bye guys.